If you're a content creator on YouTube and your thumbnails look like this, and this, you got yourself a problem. But don't worry, I have the solution in the form of a small PSD document. Let's go. How's it going, guys? Hope you all having a fantastic day. My name is DSynchro, and today, guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a very good thumbnail for your YouTube videos and whatnot. But not only that, I'm also going to be providing you with a document that lets you edit your thumbnails with a lot of ease and whatnot. You can literally make yourself a good-looking thumbnail with this document in 5 minutes. All you need is Photoshop.
But I don't have Photoshop!
Don't worry, mate. I got you covered. If you head over to photop.com, that's actually pretty much a Photoshop clone, completely for free, and that PSD is compatible with it. Let's get this party started. If you want to grab yourself the template that I made and use in this video, or many other resources for Twitch and YouTube, they will be available on our Discord. And if you want more, come check us out at twitch.tv/dsynchro. I stream Monday to Friday starting at 4 PM Australia Western Standard Time. I'd love to see you there. Now that I'm done shamelessly self-plugging myself, guys, let's get this party started. So after you opened up your Photoshop and whatnot, head over to File, go to Open, look for the template that you've downloaded, and open it up. So guys, once you open up the file, this is what you're going to see. Looks kind of bare bones and whatnot. Every single element that you see here can pretty much be changed. So let me move my camera real quick over here, and you can see the layers. These layers are actually very simple to change. All you have to do is double click them. So you see background change, text change, and character change. Let's double click the background change real quick. And this is the current background that the file is currently using. That's very simple to change. All you have to do is either draw over or click and drag on an image and bring it in. Resize it to whatever you want. Let's put a photo of my car over here. Hit enter. Select both the layers, Control E to merge them, File, Save, or Control S. And once you leave this page, guys, you'll see that the background behind it has changed and whatnot, which is really freaking cool. So let's do something different. Let's change the text. Double click text change to open it up, and you'll see there's 2 text layers over here, change 1 and change me 2 and whatnot. Each of these is correlating to the current word. So we have thumb and we have nail. Now we can easily change this. Let's suppose you're making a video for driving music, since we used the photo of my car. Let's go driving music. Oh, but I don't like the color. That's very simple to fix, guys. All you have to do is double click here, and you're gonna see a layer style page open. You go to color overlay, and you can change this color to whatever you want. So let's go with white, and let's go with the second color. Let's go with blue, a darker shade of blue. Why not? Right? And let's suppose that, oh, like I don't like the size of the music, it's too large. That's okay. Click on change me to, Control T, and then you can easily just change the size to whatever you want. So let's move it up here real quick. There we go. We got a nice driving music there and whatnot. So all you have to do now is basically Control S to save. Close this. And once you go back over here, you see that you have driving music, but it's a little bit off center. So all you guys have to do is come over here on the text layer where it says, where there's a folder. And then you can just drag this around and put it wherever you want, which is really freaking awesome. So the next thing, guys, is the character change. So the character change is actually surprisingly easy to change as well. All you have to do is double click that, and it's gonna open a new layer with a silhouette. We can actually change this silhouette to whatever we want. I'm gonna change it to an image of one of my emotes. So there you go, simple as that. Delete the placeholder or merge it if you want, and then Control S, and it will automatically update on the main thumbnail. And once again, if you guys want to move it around, just select the character folder and you can move it around. Let's suppose you don't like the white borders around it. That's easy to change as well. You just click this little arrow over here and you can turn off the outline layer. So now you no longer have that white outline. Same thing with the text. You can turn off font effect, which will get rid of it, but I enjoy having it on. Same with the outline. Now you notice as well that we have a thumbnail frame. You can easily change this just by clicking the little eye icon over here. And there you go, the thumbnail frame is gone, and you can easily move around the text and the characters to wherever you think is suitable and whatnot. I like the way this is turning out. And you can also change the size of the characters as well with Control T. Let's go with that. Now we have 2 light rays that we can work with as well, guys. This is very, very simple to do. So light ray 1 is the crazy little sun one that you see over there. And you have light ray 2, which is the colorful one there. You can use both, and you can change the color of both of them. So let's change the color of light ray 1 to something a little more bluish. So open up the folder over here, double click this icon over here, and then you can change the hue and saturation of it, or you can just select colorize, and it's going to be the color that you want. And you can change the saturation as well for a more bluish look. Personally, I kind of like it how it looked before with a yellow color. And you can do the same thing with light ray 2. So you just click that little icon there, and you can see the color change over here. You can choose the color gradient to any gradient that you want. You can even choose where you want the gradient, so how saturated the color is as well, or which color is more prominent. I'm gonna go with blue and purple. And I can also reverse the colors as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select this. I'm gonna press Control T. Ignore that. And I can move this around, and I can resize it to whatever size I want. So let's increase the size just a little bit more. We can also flatten it if we really want to. And I'm gonna put it behind the text and whatnot. The same also applies to light ray 1. You can also do the same with light ray 1. You can change the size and everything you want. But I kind of like how this looks. And the final thing as well, guys, is the background color. You can simply turn on this layer over here, and you can apply any color that you want to your background. With me personally, I kind of like the natural color of it, so I'm just going to leave it off. And there you go. Once you're done making your background, guys, it's super, super easy to save. All you have to do is go to File, click Save As, or Control-Shift-S. Change the format to PNG or JPEG, depending on where you're using it. Name it whatever you want. Driving music thumbnail. Save. And there you go. Your thumbnail is complete. And we made this in what, like 5 minutes? So that's it, guys. That's how easy and how quick it is to make a thumbnail using my template as well. And look how nice it ended up looking in just 5 minutes. And even if it's not your main cup of tea as well, and you want to do extra things to it, honestly, if you're using Photopea or Photoshop, you have the ability to do that as well. And also, having some thumbnail is better than no thumbnail at all. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Honestly, if you need any help with the template, message me on Discord or come check us out on Twitch. I stream Monday to Friday starting at 4 p.m. Australia Western Standard Time. Guys, if you enjoyed this video as well, drop us a sub, hit that like button, and honestly, I cannot wait to see you guys here again. Thank you so much for supporting what I do, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Catch you later.